In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can delete a profile on Amazon Prime Video. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is come to the browser of your choice and head over to Amazon Prime Video. And then once you come over to Amazon Prime Video, go to the relevant one for you. So for me, it's the .co.uk one. And then what it will do is it will bring you to this here. And if you want to go ahead and delete a profile that you may have made on accident or anything like that, what you want to go ahead and do is go to who's watching there in the top right corner. And then as you can see, all the profiles you have created will be under this section here. So if I want to go ahead and delete this profile here, what I need to do is go to manage profiles. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click on edit profile. And then once you've done that, go to the one you want to delete. So for this one, I'll do it with the kids one. So click on that one and then go to remove profile down here. All you need to do is go ahead and click on remove profile. And then once you've done that, you can click on remove profile again to go ahead and confirm the change. And then once you've done that, the profile will be deleted permanently. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.